What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. And I'm excited right now because I think I found the missing link to my Galaxy or my Samsung ecosystem. And that missing link was this bad boy right here. This is the Galaxy Ring, recently announced. It's here. I wasn't going to get it at first. If you guys watch my live stream of the event, you know that I was kind of up in the air on it, but I got myself the Galaxy Watch Ultra right here and the Galaxy Ring. So the ring finally came in the mail. I don't know what took so long. I think it's because I had an order originally, but then I canceled it and then I had to reorder, so maybe it got pushed back, delayed. I don't know, but I think I found the missing link and we're gonna dive into it right here. But we're gonna get into this unboxing right here, and I'm definitely gonna get you guys a review of this copy right here. Make sure if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. I guarantee you guys will be thoroughly entertained. You will want to see this unboxing and the review that I will be doing on this. So without any further ado, we're gonna hop right into it. Let's go. All right, you guys, so as you can see right here, we have the Galaxy Ring, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the new Galaxy Watch Ultra. I'm too excited right now. If you guys don't know, Spidey's here in the building. He is my official timekeeper on this channel. Yes, he gets a fitty cut. He makes sure I keep these videos short and sweet to get you guys from point A to point B as quick as possible without wasting you guys time. So like I said in the intro, I think this thing took a little bit longer to come in because I originally ordered the silver one, the silver titanium one, and then I canceled because I was like, I really don't want that color. I wanted the black or the matte black color, but it was sold out at the time. And I was like, you know what? If I'm going to get this thing, I'm going to get the color I want. So I canceled that order, and then I waited until the black one was back in stock, and then I ordered that one. So maybe that's why this took so long, but I know I'm late to the party. I say all that to say I know I'm late. Before we unbox this bad boy, we are going to talk about the specs really quick. So the price on this thing was $399. It's a tough price tag to swallow, and everybody don't got it like that, okay? You gotta pay to play sometimes, and I'm paying for this. I'm sorry to the guy in the chat who I told during my live stream that I wasn't getting this thing because they talked me out of it and it just didn't make any sense. Well, I changed my mind. I'm sorry to tell you, I changed my mind. Anyways, price $399. What I think about it? Yeah, it's okay. I don't really know. To be honest, I really don't know. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you guys. I've never had a smart ring, so I don't know what a fair price for a smart ring should be. As far as the colors, it comes in titanium black, titanium silver, and titanium gold. This is the titanium black color. And as far as the dimensions, this is 7.0 millimeters by 2.6 millimeters. As far as the weight, it's about 2.3 grams, so it's fairly light. So as far as the ring sizes, and this is one thing, I gotta comment on this, okay? Every time I looked on the internet to try to figure out what size I should get, because I didn't want to go through the hassle of buying a sizing kit, I just wanted a YouTuber to say, hey, my normal ring size is this. This is the ring size I had to get for this ring because there's sensors and stuff inside. It's a little bit thicker. I just needed that quick comparison. Nobody ever said that. I think I found one YouTuber who said, hey, my ring size is normally this. I had to get this size just so I can know it's a comparison. Do I need to get one size up, two sizes up, one size down? I need to know that. So I will let you guys know. My ring size is normally a 10.5. It's usually a 10, but I jammed my finger and it made it a 10.5. It is what it is. But yeah, for the most part, my ring size is 10.5 on all my fingers. So I had to get an 11. I went up to an 11. So there's your comparison right there. Normal ring size is typically a 10, but with a swollen knuckle, I had to get 10.5. But yes, I would say get one size up. So if you're normally an 8, get a 9. If you're normally a 9, get a 10. So on and so forth. You get it. But anyways, there are 9 sizes. You have size 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 9 sizes that you can choose from. Obviously, the higher in the size you go, between like, I think it's 11 and 13, you will get a little bit of a better battery, and the ring is obviously a little bit bigger. So as far as memory, this has 8 megabytes of memory. The ring itself is an 18 milliamp battery. Okay, 18 milliamp battery when you have a size 5, but if you get a size 13, it has a 23.5 milliamp battery. Big difference right there. It changes how long this thing lasts. Supposedly, this lasts about 6 to 7 days before you have to charge it. But we will test all that out. Anyways, the charging case that's in here is a 361 milliamp charging case. You can get about 40% in 30 minutes. that's decent, I guess. It's okay. So let's unbox this bad boy. Let's do what you guys came here. Spidey, you gotta contain me, because like I said in the intro, I think I found the missing link. This is the ecosystem right here, okay? Samsung, Galaxy. Come on, man, I'm too excited. Okay, let's peel this off really quick. Ooh, and I think that's it. You got nothing on the box, but you know, your typical branding. Samsung Galaxy Ring right here. Nothing on this side, nothing on this side. Just some scribble scrabble data right here. On the top of the box, you have Samsung and then Galaxy Ring. And I think these boxes come with the actual color of the ring that you have inside. And then on the back, just more jibber jabber. Okay, now let's slide this bad boy out. Okay, I pulled the little oh, I thought it slid out, but I guess not. So you open this right here. And then I assume you slide this out right here. So let's put this box to the side. This is like a, will you marry me? Nope. Will you marry me? No. Come on. Again, let me calm down. I'm getting hyped because I completed the circle. You know when you're working out and you close your rings, I feel like I just closed my, no pun intended. Come on. I'm killing y'all with the jokes. No pun intended. But I'm closing my rings with all these three, the ecosystem, okay? I didn't get the headphones. I didn't get the earbuds. Too many issues I heard. It was reported. They only would have cost me like $100, but I was like, my Apple AirPod Pros work just fine. I have the newest ones. I didn't want to get the AirPods or the earbuds. But anyways, as you open the box right here, this is the case that you will see inside, and you have some paperwork. So obviously, let's get through the not so exciting stuff first. You have some paperwork right here, and I'm sure it's going to be usual books and stuff. So let's take this out, and this is your charging cable right here. Don't know why it comes in white because the ring is black, but hey, it is what it is. But it looks like a USB Type-C. Yep, to USB Type-C. We're going to plug this right up in my laptop just to make sure that this thing actually works. No stickers, you know, usually with Apple products you get the Apple stickers, but just more paperwork, nothing else in here. So we can set that to the side. Here's your device and your charging case, and then I believe that is it. There's nothing else. And then here you have your device. This is I have pretty big hands. Those of you who don't know, again, I played football all up in college and all that good stuff. And my hands are pretty big. I play wide receiver, all for catching. My hands are pretty big, so this is a good size comparison. I'll say my glove size is extra large, so here's a comparison for you. So depending on your glove size, you can kind of tell through this video how big this product is. Before we open this, let's look around the case. You have a transparent top right here. You can see a little button in the middle, a little indicator right there. I believe that is the ring, that inner black circle right here. That's the ring right there. I'm not sure what this is right here. But yeah, it's silver. It doesn't feel, or not silver. This is clear. It doesn't feel slippery. You have Samsung branding right here on the front. Nothing on the sides. Obviously, you have your latching component right here, your USB Type-C charging port right here, and nothing on this side. And then on the bottom, this is like it's like a, what is it called? It's like an adhesive, but it's not sticky, but it's, you know, designed for it to not slip while it's on a table. Really quick, let's get our first animation. Let's see if this will charge. Let's just make sure this works. Plug this up right here. Boom. And you have that animation of it charging. Does it show where the battery is? Okay. The ring goes around again. The charging does work. So, look at this. Come on. You get the animation when you open it. You got the full ring right there. Let's take this ring off. Boom. Just what the sensors look like up close. This concave design right here. As you can see, it kind of dips down. It's not like straight across that this ring is. Just so you guys can get like a better look. But I will try my best to do it right here. But you see the sensors inside. 3 sensors, it looks like, measuring a bunch of different things. Does it have any design on the outside? No, just this marker right here. And I think that's where you keep the bottom portion, and that's where the sensors are. Yep, you keep that bottom portion towards your palm. I don't believe there's no more branding on the outside. And then, like I said, in the inside, you have your sensors. And then that is about it. You have your Samsung branding right there. Let's just try on some fingers and make sure this thing fits. So let's put it on this one. Fits like a glove. Oh my, Spidey, I know you jealous. This thing, it fits like a glove. And it's oh my, this is light. I like this. I can barely feel this thing right here. So those of you who don't know, who haven't looked it up yet, oh my gosh, I can't get it all. Oh my God, I'm just joking. Anyways, those of you who don't know, Samsung does suggest that you put it on like your pointer finger or this finger so you can do the gesture tapping motions to dismiss alarms, notifications, so on and so forth, start workout, all that good stuff. It suggests you put it on one of those fingers. Doesn't really suggest you put it on your ring finger. Will it still work on your ring finger? Yes, but you might have some type of issues sometimes when you're trying to dismiss stuff. Sometimes maybe it won't register it, but that is all to be determined. We will do our testing. It's definitely not fitting on this finger. That knuckle is not letting it go. I could push it down a little bit more, but I'm telling you now, it will not come off. It will be stuck. So it fits on this finger just perfect as well. But one thing I want to figure out, and I will figure this out when I do my review, when I get sweaty, when I get hot, my fingers will get kind of swollen. So I don't want this to get swollen and stuck on my hand, and then I can't get it off. That's gonna suck. Okay, we're gonna put this back in here, and we're gonna pair this bad boy up. So let's put this in here, just line the sensors up, and you get that animation. Like I said, it shows you where your charging is. Boom. So let's close this and let's get this phone right here. And the reason I have the phone in the watch, because obviously you have to pair it with the phone, and then the watch works in conjunction with the rings. All right, so I have my phone open right here. Now let's pop this bad boy open. Let's see if we get a notification that this thing is here. So I'm assuming it's this right here, this Galaxy ring right here. Now here it says press the case button once to reset. So that's what we're gonna do. So press this once, tap, boom, resetting your ring. This might take a few seconds. All right, we have some action. Let's see, Bluetooth pairing request. Let's pair it with the ring. Oh, I have to put it on the charger. It didn't say that the first time, or maybe it did, but I wasn't paying attention. Okay, it is in the case and it's on the charger. So press the case button once to reset. When you reset your ring, any data on your ring that hasn't yet been synced to your phone will be lost. That's fine. I haven't synced anything. So I tapped that once. Now it's resetting the ring. All right, so it looks like it's downloading. My dumb self forgot this thing was in airplane mode. I am so stupid. Oh my gosh. It is downloading this software very quickly. Now we're on 100%. Let's see what we get next. For your review, yeah, agree to all, continue. So we want the Galaxy ring to manage some things. Sure, allow. If you guys can see right here, it says to locate your phone with your ring, you need to allow Galaxy Wearable to access your location all the time to use your precise location. All right, now, so it wants to send me notifications. Sure, why not? Getting ready to connect. Oh, boom, right there. So as you can see, it says check your body's battery level. Okay, so I'm at 92. Is that me currently? It says wear your ring continuously right here to get a detailed energy score at the start of each day. I will be wearing this to sleep. I don't wear my watch to sleep because it's just too bulky, and it'll be nice to play basketball and shower and stuff without my watch on, just the ring. So I'm going to be wearing it all the time. It says to let you know when your body needs a break and helps you find the right balance. So I'm not going to change my routine. I got to work out. I got to, do my thug thizzle like I always do. I got to play basketball. Understanding your sleep for better rest, 7 hours and 30 minutes. That was last night. It says wear your ring at night to get a detailed record of your sleep. Get in-depth insight on your sleep habits by tracking your sleep and wake up times, blood oxygen levels, and more. Advanced measurement. What's that? Yeah. Track all that. Cool. Continue. Set targets. I already have my target set. Okay, so this is what I have my target set for every day. So it didn't change them. Let's hit continue. Get alerts for high or low heart rate. 128. Okay. When your ring detects an abnormal heart rate, you will get a notification on your phone. Okay, cool. Predict your menstrual. Okay, we don't need that. To get the best reading, wear your ring with the embossed mark on the palm side of your finger and make sure the sensors stay in contact with your skin. Okay. Boom. So now it's finishing up. So once we have this installed, Oh my gosh, it's so fast. You're all set. All right, so as you can see, this is the menu, pretty similar to the watches menu. So I'm pretty sure I won't have an energy score yet because I don't have the ring on. So it says check your body's battery level before each day. Cool. What your energy score measures my sleep, activity, and heart rate. Okay. Yeah, so I don't have an energy score yet because I have not, had this ring on for a few days. Sleep right here. As you can see, I'm getting some decent sleep. So I will say this is very useful. So usually I have to manually press enter my sleep time every day because like I said, I do not sleep with this watch on. So now having this ring, it will know when I'm sleeping. It will know when I'm not getting great sleep. It can even detect my snoring. That's crazy. I believe this works in conjunction with the phone. So the phone captures the audio to hear if you're snoring. Your ring monitors your heart rate, if you're moving in your sleep, REM sleep, all that good stuff. That is cool. That's why I say I found the missing link. I completed the circle. Okay, the circle of life, the Samsung ecosystem. Right here, let's see. Heart rate. I don't have the ring on, so it's probably not measuring. And I don't have my watch on either. So my heart rate, decent, I guess. I worked out this morning, so I guess that was my high, 149. So let's see. It's just Samsung account, health settings, ring software update. We want this to update automatically, and I'm assuming that Samsung will push out a software update for this probably before the end of the year. Maybe they might shoot out 2 just to get some kinks, bugs out, maybe add a feature. All right, so as you can see right here, I went to find my ring and there's an option for it to make the ring light blink, and that's what it looked like. So obviously this isn't too bright and the colors are inside, the lights are inside, so unless you're in a dark setting, you probably won't really see this thing blinking. So if you lose it at night, it'll be perfect. And I guess that's kind of the main point. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. You know what I'm saying? This is where the ring is going to be stationed. It feels comfortable to me. What do you guys think? Am I rocking it or am I rocking it? Ow. The only thing I'm worried about, if this will get in the way when I'm working out, when you're lifting the barbells or dumbbells, whatever the case is, will this titanium get scratched up on that metal? More than likely, I'm pretty sure it will. So for some reason, if I need to switch fingers, because when I bench press or whatever, for some reason this finger doesn't really make contact, or at least this part of the finger doesn't really make contact with the bar, so I might have to switch this to this. I don't know. Trial and error, we will have to see. So again, this is showing the case's battery. Okay, not the ring battery, the case's battery. All right, so ring's off and we're putting it back in here. So let's see if the charging icon changes, and it's showing the ring is fully charged. This part turns black and I don't know why. Maybe it's the reflection. Yeah, it's got to be some sneaky reflection trick. Yeah, because this is not black, but then you close it. Yeah, it's some kind of sneaky reflection trick with this thing. I don't want to make this unboxing too long. Again, it's just an unboxing. We kind of went through the setup. We're linking chains right here. We're in the ecosystem. Let me put on all my Galaxy gear. Let me get fresh out here. Look, I started a workout on accident. Let me stop that. The freaking quick start button or action button, whatever you want to call it. Oh Lord, if you guys haven't checked my review out on this bad boy, make sure to check that out. And same thing with this one. I'm just a Samsung head right now at this point in life, and I like it. Subscribe, like, I will let you guys know how this thing really works, not a scripted review of this. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.